welcome to Mr. Raj's online math classes. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at consumer arithmetic. So as you would know from your past papers, you would notice that the CSEC question 1 normally comes with both number theory and computation mixed with consumer arithmetic. You would have noticed VHSC girls with your mock exam, you had that question 1, where question 1 part A pertains to all the number theory questions we did in our last video, and then we had the consumer arithmetic. So in today's particular session, we're looking at that same mock exam question, question 1B, and we're going to go through the solutions here. So what I noticed in general, some people have a very fair understanding of the consumer arithmetic, and some people have a few little issues. So what I want to do with this particular session is address some of the issues I would have noticed, but in general, go through the solutions so you will see what was expected of you so that you would get your full marks. And that way, when it comes to baby topics like number theory, computation, and consumer arithmetic, you will get your full marks always once you understand fully what is expected of you. So we have question 1 part B. The cash price of a refrigerator is $10,500. It can be bought on hire purchase by making a deposit of $1,540 and 36 monthly installments of $525 each. Calculate the total hire purchase price of the refrigerator. So before we get into calculating the hire purchase price, obviously we want to do a few statements to make note of the information they give to us. So the first thing we're going to make note of is the cash price of the refrigerator. So the cash price of the refrigerator was $10,500. It can be bought on hire purchase by making a deposit of $1,540. So we'll make note of the deposit. What else did they say? We have 36 monthly installments of $525 each. Let's make note of that. So installments. And we also need to make note of how many installments we have to make, alright? So they told us 36 monthly installments. Right, so now that we have our statements written, the purpose of this is one, to make note of the information that we have. Because when it comes to actually working on a problem, we need to know what information we've been supplied with and what we need to do in order to find what is required of us. So when we have to work out the hire purchase price, we need to know what is hire purchase in the first place, alright, and how is it calculated. So when we think of hire purchase, we must always remember that the hire purchase price is calculated when finding the sum of the deposits and the total amount through the installments. So we're going to write that down. Hire purchase is the sum of the deposit and total installments. Alright, so when we say total installments, we mean we're going to find the total amount of money we would be paying them in installments by finding the product of the monthly installment and the amount each monthly installment is. So in our next time, we're going to do the working for the hire purchase. So we'll start off firstly by writing down what our deposit is. So our deposit here is $1,540. Our total installments, like I said, it will be the product of our number of monthly installments by the amount per month. So that would be 525 by 36. Alright? And then from there, we work out what this product is. So now to work out our total monthly installments, we can either go straight to our calculator and just type in what is the product of 525 and 36 to get our total amount of installments, or we can do it manually by finding the product through long multiplication. Now the product of 525 by 36 gives us a total of 18,900. From here, all you have to do is find the sum of these two numbers, and we will get what our hire purchase price for the refrigerator is. Finding the sum of 18,900 and 1,540, we will get summing digits in one's position. We have zeros, so we have zeros. We have zeros here, and 4 and 0 is 4, 5 and 9 would give me 14. 8 and 1 is 9, 1 and 1 is 10, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get a total sum of 20,440. Again, if you wanted, you could just go straight to your calculator once you get these two values and find some of it. Alright? Now, using statements and stepwise procedures will allow you to check over your working easily, double check wherever you think you may have made a mistake, whether it be with working it out manually or putting it into the calculator, because now you have a process in order to find your hire purchase in this case. So that way you're able to double check where you probably would have gone wrong, check over anything to make sure you didn't make any minor little mistakes with arithmetic, and at least it will therefore give you that peace of mind knowing that you've done whatever you can to the best of your ability and accurately. Alright? Now, some people had the hire purchase price where they did all of this, correct. And then they proceeded to add the cash price to this, which is incorrect. You just need to remember when it comes to hire purchase price, yes, it's going to be more than your cash price, but you don't need to add your cash price to this. Once you've done the hire purchase as the sum of the deposit and total installment, you have your hire purchase price right there. Okay? So this question, I believe, was 2 marks. This is how your marks were allocated. If you correctly calculated the total installments, that would have been 1 mark, and then to get the final price, which is the hire purchase price, we also get 1 mark. So the 2 marks in total would have been for that hire purchase price. Simple as that.